students, I hope your preparation is going good. If not, don't worry. Sri Gurukula is here to help you. And I am Anmol Yadav. I will be your physics and mathematics mentor. I am an NEET graduate. So bring out your books. Let's make your preparation stress-free. So next question is, find K if area of triangle with vertices 2, -6, 5, 4 and K, 4 is 35 square units. So we will use determinant method to find the area. So area of a triangle is equals to half of determinant of these 3 vertices. So determinant, 3 cross 3 determinant will make, so x coordinate, y coordinate, and if z coordinate is there, then we'll write z coordinate. If z coordinate is not there, then we'll write 1, 1, 1. Okay. So here we have only x and y coordinate. So 2, -6 in z coordinate, we'll take it as 1. Then 5, 4 in z coordinate 1. Then k, 4, then z coordinate 1. So we'll find the area of triangle using this method. The only unknown in this equation will be k. Now area of triangle given in the question is 35 square units is equals to half of, now we'll write the determinant of this. So 2 into 4 minus 4, 2 into 4 minus 4. Now -6 into minus, so plus 6 into 5 minus k, then 1 into 5 4s are 20 minus 4k, 20 minus 4k, correct? Now this 2 will multiply here, it will become 70 is equals to 4 minus 4 will become 0, 6 into 5 will become 30 minus 6k, then plus 20 minus 4k. So 6k plus 4k will become minus 10k, and minus 10k will come on the other side. So it will become 10k, and this 70 will go on other side. So it will be 30 plus 20, 50 minus 70. So 10k is equals to minus 20, means 10k is equals to minus 20 implies k is equals to minus 2. So k is equals to minus 2, our final answer. I will be back soon. Till then, keep practicing. This is Anmol Yadav from Sri Gurukula signing off.